love Dollar Tree? I am a huge fan of Dollar Tree. And it's April, so I figured, hey, why not share with you guys some of the finds I found at Dollar Tree in April? Can you spend only $1 at Dollar Tree? I know I sure can't. Now I'm going to show you all my finds that I found at the Dollar Tree. I found LA Colors. I mean, I know it's a cheap brand, but hey, it's fun makeup to play in. And I mean, it's got some cute little shades. I found some mascara, some lipsticks, some concealer, some hats to wear for my wigs. I mean, dollar, why not try it out, right? From highlighter. And I found some of these cool little cucumbers that you could put on your eyes and put them in the freezer. Why not try them out? Of course, I've seen cheetah print flip-flops. I had to get them. And I've seen some scents, cherry blossom, honeysuckle. I'm like, And you know I love my gardening, so I had to pick up some gardening items that I've seen at the Dollar Tree. I've seen a hummingbird feeder. I've seen a water hose attachment. I've seen the flowers and garden pill. I've seen some gloves, a thermometer. And, of course, I had to find me a little notebook and some gel pens. Go to the Dollar Tree and see if you can only spend $1. Don't judge me. So, how I use some of my Dollar Tree finds. My little hummingbirds love the hummingbird nectar. And I just hung it up. And they love it. I've already had hummingbirds come to this little feeder. And it's just so peaceful out in the country where I live. And my little hummingbirds get to eat now. My thermometer, I hung it up. It's so cute. I've seen them for like $3 at Walmart or something. You can get for $1 at the dollar store. Why not save a buck, right? And my little pots for my flowers. Definitely worth $1. Happy Dollar Tree shopping!